طيب بسم الله. Just we coming back. We solve up to number 10. That's right. We'll finish number 10. Number 10. If you want to speak, please raise your hand and I will open the mic for you. If all of you did it up to number 10 at the book, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Okay. So most of you solve it. Okay. Number 11. If you solve number 11, please raise your hand and we will solve it together. Number 11. Number 11. Hamza. Hamza, you can solve number 11. Can you solve number 11, please, with me? There is user.
Yes.
Just a minute. There is one is called user. User, please change your name. Change your name. Change your name. Put your right name. Yes. Okay. For number 11. 9 now. In which place? 9.
In the 1,000th place.
9 in 1,000 place. Are you sure?
Yeah.
There is two Hamza. Hamza Naim and the other Hamza is?
I am Hamza Tariq.
Hamza Tariq, okay.
I'm Hamza Tariq.
Hamza Tariq, okay. So 9 now in 1,000 place. 9 in 1,000 period, not in 1,000 place.
Oh.
So 9 now in 100 place in 1,000 period. So we can say that 9 in 100,000. Okay? 9 in 100,000 place. Please use the mic, please. Okay. So 1 has a value. We need to solve number 12. Hamza, you can solve number 12.
Number 12.
Okay.
1. The 1 has a
value.
of,
if we need to find the value of 1.
1 is 1.
No, the value of 1 is not 1.
Oh, here it's 100. I mean 1,000.
1,000. If you need to find the value of 1, just write 1 multiplied by 1 in 1,000 place. So we just write 1 multiplied by 1,000 to find its value. Any problem for this one?
No.
Can you write, please, all of you? Can you write, please, in your book? Write, please, in your book. Abdurrahman, can you solve number 13 with me? Number 13. The population is 304,964,000. We need to write the population in word form. So how we can write this one?
Word form?
Yes, word form. This form is called, what is the name of this form?
100 million.
No, the name of the form. We have 3 different forms. The first one, and the second, and the third. What is the name of the first form? Form of writing numbers. We have forms to write the numbers.
Ones?
Not the digits. We have forms to write the number. We have 3 forms to write the number. The first form is called, who can solve this question? I need the name of the forms.
305.
I didn't ask you to read the number. I didn't ask you to read the number. I need to know what is the name of this form of the number. Ibrahim.
Yeah, the form of this number is standard form.
Standard form. This form is called the standard form.
Yeah.
In standard form, we use the digit to write the number. Then we have another form which is word form. What is the word form? We use the words to write the number. And the last one, what is the name of the last one? This form. This one, expanded form. So we have 3 forms to write the number. The first form is called the standard form, that we use the digit to write the number. The second one, the word form, that we use the words to write the number. And the third one, which is the expanded form. So Abdurrahman, Abdurrahman, what is the way that how we can write this one in word form?
304.
By using the words, so it would be 300, 300,
4 million.
4 million,
967,000.
960, 7,000. That's all, because there is nothing in one's film. So you understand how we can convert the number? Just read the number, then write the name of the family. The family is, or the name of the period. This period is the million period. This period is the 1,000 period. Okay? Any problem for this one?
No.
Okay. So we need to solve number 14. Ibrahim, if you need to solve, just raise your hand and we can solve.
Yeah.
Okay.
The land
We need to write this number in standard form and in word form.
Okay, the standard form is easy. So it is 100,000, 130,000, 1,000, wait. Yeah.
Take your time, huh?
131,852. Yeah.
Think again. 52. There is one missing digit. Again, think again about this number. 130.
100.
To make it easy for yourself, how we can find this number, how we can read it, how we can write in a standard form. Number one. What is the grease value that we have? The grease value is 100,000. It means we are talking about the 1,000 period. So that is the 1,000 period. And we have the ones period. Any problem now? Each period is formed from 3 digits. 3 digits. Okay, we have 1 multiplied by 100,000. It means 1 will be written in 100,000 place. So that's ones, tens, and 100. Ones, tens, and 100. The first family is the ones period. خلاص. The second one is the 1,000 period. So 1 is written in the 100,000. We finish 1. The second, 3, will be written in?
In 30,000.
In 10,000. In 10,000, so we write 3. 9 will be written in the 1,000 place. Where is the 1,000 place? That's the 1,000 place. 8 will be written in 100 place. 5 will be written in tens place. 2 will be written in the ones place. So this number will be
100, 300, 9,852.
1 minute, again. 1. Read this number only. Read this number only. Can you read this number?
139,000.
139,000. Then write the name of the period. Just read the 3 digit 139. Then put the name of the period. After that, read the second period, which is
852.
Yes. So to write in a word form, as we said, as we read it in a standard form, we will replace the numbers with the words. So it will be 100, 30, 9,000, 800, then comma, 800, 52. Any problem for this one?
No.
Okay, thanks. Ibrahim. What's the problem? If you have any problem, if there is anything not clear, just raise your hand and I will open the mic for you.
Teacher.
So, yes, Assam.
What page? I just.
This page is page 14 at the book. Page 14. So please write that in the book. That is the
Okay.
solution. Please open page 14 and start solving. Okay. So number 15. Now we have a number which is, that is the number in standard form. And we write this number by this way in word form. Is it right or wrong? This number, the first number, I will not read it. You need to read this number and you need to check that he read it in a right way or not. This number in a standard form, if you want to read it and write it in a word form, that will be the word form or not? If you know the answer, just raise your hand. So Hamza, can you solve this one? Number 15.
What?
Number 15. We have a number now. This number. This number. In a standard form. If you want to read it in word form, that will be the word form or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes what? Yes. You give me the answer or not?
What? What did it say?
That is the answer or not? We have a number. This number written in a standard form. If you want to read it, that will be the word form, the yellow one. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. Yes or no?
I do it in expanded form.
No. Now we have a number. This number. Can you see this one? This number?
Yeah.
This number is written in which form? Said that we have three forms to write the number. Is that right? We have three forms to write the number. Standard form, word form, and expanded form. This form is which form of them?
Standard form.
Sorry?
Standard.
A standard form. This form is called standard form. Okay. So if you want to convert this number from standard form to the word form, it will be written by this way, the way with a yellow color, this one, or not? Read the number in standard form and read the number in word form. They are the same or not? They are not the same. So why they are not the same? Can you explain this one?
It's 13 million.
13 million? 13 million. That is the first part is right. The first part now is right. 13 million. Okay.
The other part is not right because it's 57. It's not 57. It's
that is the mistake. That is the mistake. It's not 57. It's 500. 7,000. The third part, which is 804. So only the mistake that we have at the middle, which is 57, this part, only this part is the middle. We have a mistake in this part only. You read the first family is right, or the first period, which is 13 million, and the one period, which is 804, with the proper way, but the only one which is missing, the 1,000 family. Any problem now for this one? That's how we can convert between the numbers. Okay. So Yusuf now will solve with me. That's page, we finished page 15. We finished page 15. So, sorry, we finished page 14. Now we need to finish page 15. Page 15. So the first one that will answer now with me, Yusuf. Yeah, Yusuf. We need to write the value of the highlight digits. The value of the highlight digit. What is the value?
Number 1?
Number 1. We need to solve it. Number 1. The value of the highlight digit.
80,000.
80,000. Yes. Number 2. Hamza Naeem. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Hamza Naeem. Number 2. We are solving number 2. What is the value of the highlight digit? The value. The value.
For me?
Hamza, yes.
Yeah. It's 900,000.
900,000, yes. So the next one will be Malik. Malik, open the mic and give me the answer for the third one. Number 3. What is the value of 3 now? Malik.
3,000.
This value is 3,000. Think again one more time. At the first, how we can find the value? We have 2 ways to find the value. 300. 300 what?
1,000.
Type again to 300 million. Again, how we can write? We have 2 ways to find the value. To find the value, number 1, we just write the digit that we need to find its value without any change. How many digits are the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just replace the 8 digit that we have with 0. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how we can read this number, or the other way? The name of the first period, which is the 1st period. The name of the second period, which is 1,000 period. The name of the third period, which is million period. This digit, the highlighted digit, lies at the million period. So we need to find the position of the digit in the million period. For each period is formed from 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, and 100. Now we have 3 lies at the 100 million place. So 3 in 100 million, it will be 300 million. You understand how we can read it? Huh? You understand how we can find this one? Okay. We need the next one. The next one will be Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, we need to write this one in Word form. I need only in Word form because another one will solve the expanded form. The Word form. How we can write this one?
I raised my hand because I didn't finish.
Sorry?
I raised my hand because I didn't finish number 15.
You didn't. I can't hear you, Abdurrahman. Raise your voice, please.
I raised my hand because I didn't finish number 15 in page 14.
Okay, you need number 15. That's number 15.
Mister, I finished.
Finish. Does anyone need the number 15 more? If you need number 15, just open your mic and inform me. You need number 15?
Mister,
Yes.
I don't have. I don't have this, mister.
Just wait, please. Listen to each other. Hamza.
I don't have this thing.
Sorry?
I don't have this on number 15.
That's page 14. Question number 15. Page.
Yeah, but I don't have that picture.
Which picture that you have?
That's
volume 1. We are solving in volume 1.
Yeah, I have.
Mister, the same thing is with my book, but there's no picture. It's the same thing. The same question, but no picture.
Leave the picture now. Leave the picture because I use the ebook. I'm using the ebook.
Even me.
I'll switch over the mic for you. Leave the picture. The main point is the question because I'm using the ebook, so you'll find some difference between them, but the questions are the same. You can find some picture in your book, not in my book, and you can find some picture in my book, not in your book. The main point is the question is the same. Leave the picture now. The question is the same. That's our point. So number 4. So number 4, if you want to solve it, just raise your hand. Raise your hand, number 4. Number 4. Number 4, we need to write this number in word form. Yusuf.
Yes, mister.
Yeah, can you solve this one, please?
Yes.
Number 4.
103,700.
Just a minute, step by step. Just a minute. 100.
103,727,000.
Million.
3 million.
Okay.
727,000.
700. 700 what?
27,000.
27,000.
495.
495.
95.
Okay. This form is called the word form. I need another one to solve in the expanded form, Turkey. Turkey. I need the expanded form for this one. Turkey. I need the expanded form for this one. The expanded form for number 4. Turkey. Just open your mic, Turkey. Okay. So we have another one, Abdurrahman. Solve number 4, the expanded form. The expanded form.
103. 103.
Raise your voice, please, Abdurrahman.
103. I do expanded form.
Expanded form. We need the expanded form. We finish the word form. That's it, the word form. We finish it. We need the expanded form.
Okay.
103. 103 in the expanded form. We need the expanded form.
103 million, I mean.
No. What is
it? 1 times 100,000.
100,000. 1 in which place?
1 at the million.
Not at the million. At the 100 million. So we can say that 1 times 100 million. Plus the next.
3 times
3
million.
times million. Plus
7 times 100,000.
100,000. Plus
2 times 10,000.
10,000. Plus
7 times 1,000.
Sorry?
7 times 1,000.
Times 1,000. Plus
4 times 100.
100. Plus
9 times 10.
Plus the last one.
5 times 1.
5 times 1. That's how we can write the number in.
Mister,
Yes.
I do it yesterday. I do it homework, and I write what you write now. It's in number 17.
That's number 17.
I write this in number 17, and also I write it yesterday at page 15.
Page 15. Page 15. That's page 15.
Yeah,
this is the same page with you.
Yeah, I thought this is a homework, so
okay, no problem. You solve it, no problem. But the main point is that we revise.
Yeah, I do it here. I do it in number page 15 and number 15 also.
Okay. So have you finished writing this one? All of you finished this one? Have you finished writing? Ahmed Cindy. Ahmed Cindy.
Yeah,
What?
I already finished it. I already
Okay.
finished it. I want to do the next question.
The next one.
I wanna do
So
the
who
next
didn't
question.
finish? All of you finish it? Okay. So Ahmed Cindy, can you solve this one with me?
Okay.
Kind of say that we have a number here that's given, and we need to find this number in word form and in expanded form. This number.
Okay.
I need this number. Number 1 in word form. Number 2
Okay.
in expanded form. You just write the word form and we choose another one in expanded form.
Okay. 11 million.
Just a minute. 11 million.
700.
Yes.
60,000.
60,000.
800.
Okay.
And 25.
And 25. Okay, so we need another one to solve this number in expanded form. Ibrahim Galhoum, can you solve this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is 1 times 10 million
1 times 10 million
plus
plus
1 times
1
1 million.
1 million.
Yeah. Plus 7 times 100,000. Plus 6 times 10,000.
Okay. Plus we finish? Still we have 825. The expanded form. We have 8 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 1. That's defined by the expanded form. So just a minute.